Alfred Watermax, try mo nga sa keypad ng Dodge mo yung napanood ko na unlock, lock, unlock. Kita ko sa YouTube kanina. Sige, try natin to. Okay, tara, subukan natin. Ito yung susi ng Dodge. Okay, let's try. Unlock, and then lock. What happened? Unlock, and then lock. Yun, nagbiblink yung ilaw. Unlock, lock. What happened? Unlock, lock, and then lock. Ah, may ilaw. Okay. Unlock, lock, unlock. Ah, cute. Yun lang pala yun. Unlock. Yun na yun.